So check it out. Here's one more Christmas project I'm working on. I hope to complete. A friend and I did a parts and locomotive swap, and he sent me this 898 that had been previously painted by somebody, and it had a pre-war motor in it. So I thought I'd try to put a 1666 motor with a smoke unit in it, which I was able to fit that in there. And I used some E7 collapse plates to mount the smoke unit to mount the motor. I also have a pilot truck from a 1666, and I might put some trailing wheels on it too, I don't know, or maybe just leave it a 240. So I'm working on some log dump cars. I painted some of the logs to look like candy canes, so that's what the theme of this train will be. So we're going to take it for a spin. You can check out how it smokes, and here we go. Really pours out the smoke. Okay, it runs really smooth. Certainly smokes good. I have the smell of maple flavor all over my basement now. So I'll get the log dump cars painted up. I'm also going to add, I'm working on a shell that I'm repairing from a Sound of Power tender. It had a broken step, and I'll paint that to match. And I'm not quite sure what we're going to paint the locomotive. I'm thinking maybe a metallic green and red. But anyway, keep checking out, keep watching. Hopefully we'll get the log dump cars all painted up too. So take care, God bless, and never forget, Jesus is Lord.